before I move for the withdrawal of your, when we cited you in contempt, later on, the members wanted to withdraw that contempt order. But for the meantime, I'll be asking you a very serious question. Since nag-issue na ng waiver si Ronaldin Baterna doon sa checking account that according to her, yung checking account na yon, lahat ng mga cheque, pinirmahan niya, ibinigay niya sa iyo. And that was testified by Ronaldin Baterna. So hawak mo lahat ng mga cheque, control mo na yung checking account. So ang tanong ko sa iyo, millions of pesos entered that checking account. Kani-kanino mo inisyo ang mga checking ito? Okay, ulitin ko, Cassie. Simple lang to. Merong checking account si Ronaldin Baterna. And she told us na mag-i-issue siya ng waiver. So in other words, makikita na namin yung through AMLAC, makikita na natin yung mga laman, kung sino mga nag-issue, sino ang pumasok na pera. So in other words, yung checking yon, ibinigay niya sa iyo, signed by her. So in other words, control mo yung checking yon. So ngayon tanong, sino-sino ang mga inisyuhan mo ng mga checking yon for many years and for many millions that entered that checking account? And remember, you told me through text, ayaw mo maipit doon sa mga nag-uumpugang mga malalaking mga bato. So tell us, sino yung mga taong ito na binigyan mo ng cheque?
Okay, pwede na po magsalita. Regarding naman po sa mga cheque is, I think kung hindi po nagkakamali sa mga rental po siya ng mga house po or condo. Yeah. Pero
Rentals
if
na?
million, I'm not sure po.
Kasi, Cassandra, no, millions of pesos ang dumaan doon sa checking account. And aside from that, how many bank accounts do you have? Be truthful, Cassie.
We'll double check it po.
10? You have 10 accounts? More than 10?
Parang wala siya sa 10.
Mga
I'm not sure po eh.
8, 7, 6,
I'm really sorry
5,
po.
4.
Hindi ko pa talaga
Okay.
sure.
Wait. Kasi we will be able to find out because the waiver was signed. Ronaldin, were you able to sign the waiver?
Na-sign ko na po.
So, kung na-sign na niya yung waiver, so makikita na natin ang lahat ng laman nun. So, we're giving you a chance to tell us. Sabi mo kasi kanina, meron kang mga iniiwasan. So, we wanted to find out who are these people. Meron bang mga politiko? Meron bang mga drug dealers? Meron bang malalaking mga Chinese personalities? Ha? Sige, okay, go ahead. Go ahead. Paano siya? Boss. Okay, thank you so much. Sige, Cassie, what?
Regarding po sa bank account, wala na po akong bank account pala. Pwede na po siya.
Cassie,
Yes po.
Baka mabago yung damdamin ko sa'yo, ah. Ang sinasabi ko, during that time, di ba, kahit sabihin mong wala ka ng bank account ngayon, before that you were a executive assistant of the Lucky South 99 since 2019, and then now that you are the beneficial owner of the Whirlwind Corporation with 58% ownership. Are you going to sign a waiver?
To proof na wala na po akong account.
Na wala ka ng account. No,
Yes.
we're not asking that. What we are asking is that you're going to sign a waiver telling us that we can check yung mga inisyuhan mo mga cheque sa mga personalities that involved in that Porac Pogo. Attorney Capasio. Are you willing to waive for all your bank accounts para makita natin ang lahat ng inyong transactions? Kasi we are talking about, kasi nagsimula ka na ng being truthful. Kanina, actually, we are all amazed, ha? Dahil you can speak truly, eh. And now, nagkakaroon ka ng apprehension. Don't. Wag. Kasi the trust is with you right now. So, ituloy mo lang. Ituloy mo lang, please. Sige, go ahead.
Point of order, Mr. Chair. Are we who's the resource person? Because I'm getting confused.
Okay, the point of order of Congressman Suarez is he is asking who is the resource person. Is it the council?
Yes, because
or Ms.
I
Cassandra?
think the question was directed to Ms. Ong, and yet it seems like there's somebody else answering the question. So can I just please be informed as to who's supposed to answer the question, Mr. Chair?
Okay, please, we'd like to ask Attorney Topacio to refrain from feeding the answers to Ms. Cassie Ong. And before we ask Congressman Fernandez to proceed, there's a short, very, very short interjection by the Senior Deputy Speaker, Don Gonzales. You are recognized.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Miss Cassandra Ong, ngayon wala ka ng account, di ba? Previously, in siguro past 6 months, 1 year, 2 years, ano ang ginagamit mong account name? Your name, the corporation, how many?
Meron pong name ko. Meron pong
kung
corporation.
Okay.
Meron din po yung kay Ronalyn.
Okay.
Baterna.
Tatlo, okay.
I think yun lang po.
Tatlo. So,
Opo.
number 1, your personal account.
Yes po.
Number 2, the corporation, the corporate account.
Yes.
What is the name of your corporate
Wordwin.
account?
Wordwin po.
Wordwin. Number 3, kay Baterna.
Yes. Can I explain kung bakit kay Baterna po?
Please.
Kasi I think yung mga checking niya is sa rental lang po. Kasi sometimes wala po ako sa Pilipinas. So para mas maging siya yung pinapa ko ng mga check. Pero makikita niyo rin po naman yan dahil nag-sign naman po siya ng waiver.
In your recollection,
Rental po ng mga condo.
no. In your recollection, nung nag-i-issue ka ng cheque at nung nag-wire ka ng pera, magkano yung pinakamalaking dineposit mo? From corporation, from personal to other person, or to other corporations?
We'll double check it po. I'm not sure about that po.
Sa iyong pag-iisip, siyempre kung mag-issue ka ng cheque, magde-deposit ka ng pera, ballpark figure, para at least meron lang kaming idea.
Much better na lang po i-check ko muna, Mr. Chair.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
Okay, kasi the waiver that was issued by Ronalyn Baterna for the AMLAC to see all the bank transactions. So the waiver that you are trying to secure from us is the waiver of that you don't have an account anymore. Yun ang sinasabi ng kanina ni Attorney Topacio. Am I right?
Pwede pa ulit po.
Yes.
Pwede pa kiulit po.
Okay.
Mr. Chair, sorry.
So, kasi ang sinasabi mo kanina kasi parang nagwe-wave ka doon sa right na malaman namin na wala ka ng mga bank accounts.
Yes po.
So, hindi yun ang hinihingi namin kasi. Ang hinihingi namin, waiver mo para makita ng AMLAC kung ano ang lahat ng bank transactions nung mga bangko mo. Yun ang hinihingi namin para malaman namin kung saan pumunta yung mga pera na pumasok sa bangko mo. Naintindihan mo yun, Cassie?
Yes po, Mr.
So, are
Chair.
you willing to sign a waiver for that matter?
Mag-consult muna ako sa lawyer ko, then balikan ko na lang po ang committee if
Kasi
I'm willing
ang
or
waiver na binigay ni Ronaldin Paterna, it's all about the checking account that is under her name. Your waiver is so important to us, to all your bank accounts. So we can see the transaction, where the money goes and where the money comes. You want to consult?
Can I interject, Mr. Chairman? Mr. Chairman, with your respect, Ms. Paterna, ilang checking account meron ka?
Isa lang po, Mr. Chair.
Anong bangko?
China Bank po.
Wala ka bang corporate account?
Wala po, Mr. Chair.
Sigurado ka yung personal account mo lang ang ginagamit mo?
Yes po, Mr. Chair.
Alam ba ni Cassandra Ong yung personal account mo?
Hindi po, yung checking account lang po.
May instance na ba na nag-deposit sa account mo si Cassandra Ong?
Hindi po. Hindi pa po.
Hindi ka inisyuan ng cheque ni Cassandra Ong in your personal account?
Hindi po.
Nasa waiver naman yan, makikita natin.
Yes po.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
Hindi, konti na lang to. Okay, thank you
Mr.
so
Chair?
much.
Mr. Chair?
Yes, Congressman Akop.
Madam Paterna, sabi mo, isa lang yung account mo, di ba? Pero sabi mo, may personal at saka checking account. Iisa lang bang...
Magkaiba po yung ano
So,
nun,
dalawa?
Mr. Chair. Opo, personal po, tsaka po yung checking
At
account
saka yung
na
checking
ginagamit
account.
po ni Ma'am
dalawa,
Cassie.
hindi isa. Di ba? Isang personal
Isang
at
bank
saka
po.
isang checking account.
Opo, isang bank.
Pero,
Kasi pwedeng ako, may savings account, may checking account ako, pero iisang bangko. Ganun ba?
Yes po, Mr. Chair.
Thank you, Mr. Chair.
kasi it's hard to believe, ano, it's hard to believe that a while ago you were thinking so deep, thinking about your bank accounts. It turned out na meron ka lang dalawa. Tama? Isa lang ang bangko mo, China Bank. May savings ka and meron kang checking account. Am I right? So isang bangko mo lang, China Bank lang.
Yes po. China Bank.
And
pero hindi
I
ko
was
sure.
asking you a while ago, I'm asking you, how many bank accounts do you have? Hindi mo siya masagot, di ba? Hindi, I mean, I'm trying to lay down my predicate. Parang, it's hard for you to answer that you have more than one bank accounts. Alam mo, kasi napapaniwala mo na kami dito, sana nagsasabi ka ng totoo that your accounts is more than one.
Can I explain po?
Yes.
Kasi tinanong niyo po ako kanina kung ilan yung total bank account ko. Tama po ba?
Yes.
So, hindi ko sure kung ilan po yung total. Lahat
So ngayon,
ng bank account
so
ko.
ngayon isa lang talaga?
Isa lang po yung bangko, pero I'm not sure kung ilan po yung...
Okay. So isa lang ang
Account.
bangko mo, but you have many accounts in that bank.
Opo.
So China Bank lang yon, tapos iba't ibang account number. Tama?
Yes.
It's all under your name?
Like what I said po, meron pong under my name, meron din po sa corporation po.
So more or less, how many accounts? Yun lahat ng yun.
Let's say mga 2 or 3, pero I'm not sure.
Okay.
Kasi, excuse me, kay Mr. Chairman, sabi mo, iba pa yung kay Rowelyn Baterna account. Ginagamit mo rin ba yung account ni Miss Baterna?
Ginagamit lang po siya sa rental ng condominium, ganun po, and sa space po. Pero other than that, you can check it naman po. Kasi po, para maging tag po dito, mabilis yung transaction, siya po yung checking account niya po yung pinang-i-issue namin.
Ilang beses ka na nag-wire from the Philippines to abroad? Ilang beses ka na nag-wire from your account to abroad?
Never po.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
Sige, I'll leave you with that, kasi punta tayo kay, Mr. Chairman, konti na lang po to.
Kindly wrap up, Congressman Fernandez.
Pumunta si Cassie, Chairman Al Tenco, sa iyo, kasama si Harry Roque, at doon na pag-usapan yung Lucky South 99. Tama, Chairman?
Yes, Chairman.
And as a matter of fact, si Cassie kasama rin doon.
Kasama,
And that was
dumating din po siya.
July 26,
July 26, 2023.
2023. And will you confirm this, Cassie, that you were there in July 26, 2023? Kasi kanina hindi mo ako sinagot doon eh. 'Di ba? July 26, 2023, you were there, correct?
Isang beses po,
Yes.
pero I'm not sure sa date.
Yeah. And as a matter of fact, sabi ni Altenco, merong binayaran na tungkol sa Lucky South 99 Corporation.
Meron po.
So, you paid noon sa Lucky South 99.
Same that day na nag-visit
Yes.
kami kay Chairman Antek.
At yun yung naging topic nyo na babayaran yung mga problema ng Lucky South 99.
Yes po.
Yes, so... did you talk about the Whirlwind Corporation?
No.
No. So in other words, Mr. Chairman, Mr. Harry Roque is lying. Because during the investigation that we conducted 2 weeks ago, he said that Altenco, Cassie, and Attorney Harry Roque were talking about the Whirlwind Corporation. But you are telling us right now, Chairman Al, that walang Whirlwind Corporation na pinag-usapan doon. It's all about Lucky South 99.
Yes.
Am I correct?
It was all about Lucky South 99.
And as a matter of fact, Cassie, since ikaw yung authorized representative ng Lucky South 99, Attorney Harry Roque was included in the structural organization of that company. Am I correct? He is the legal of Lucky South 99.
Ayun po yung nagkamali po yung mga staff regarding dyan po. Kasi po, they expect, akala po nila na si Attorney Harry Roque po yung legal.
Okay, so hindi siya yung legal mo na nakalagay doon?
Hindi po.
Ikaw ba nag-submit ng mga application form sa PAGCOR?
Hindi po.
Sino nag-submit?
Pwede pa check sa record. Or,
No, I mean, the application form was all given sa inyo. Siyempre, ako yung aplikante at ako yung authorized representative. And in accordance sa kanilang application form, kung sino yung authorized representative, siya magdadala noon sa PAGCOR. That's the procedure, correct, Chairman Altenco?
Ganun nga po.
So, if you are the authorized representative, dadalin mo ngayon yung application form together with the organizational chart, including the name of Attorney Harry Roque, who is the legal of the Lucky South 99. So, ngayon sinasabi mo na hindi siya kasama.
hindi po.
Okay. So, in other words,
Hindi din po ako yung, sorry.
ano na?
Hindi din po ako yung nagpasa ng paper na yun sa...
So, somebody ang nagdala doon.
Yes po, nagkaroon lang sila siguro ng mistake for that po.
Okay. Lastly, Mr. Chairman, last na po talaga to. Kay Ms. Mascareñas, Stephanie,
Yes, Mr. Chair.
noong nakaraang hearing, sinabi mo na wala kang inilabas na pera para ibayad sa paid-up capital mo. Tama ba to?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
So wala kang inilabas na pera.
Wala po.
So after 6 months, sinasabi mo wala ka na doon sa corporation.
Yes po.
So in other words, nung wala ka na sa corporation, hindi mo to ibinenta, hindi mo to, basta umalis ka na lang sa corporation, that's it.
Alin po yan? Yung Lucky South?
Lucky South and Whirlwind.
Yung Whirlwind po, yung shares nun, tinransfer ko po. May deed of sale po kami, alam ni Attorney Medina. Whereas sa Lucky South po, wala akong sinign or binentang shares.
So binayaran ka.
Hindi rin po.
So hindi ka binayaran, wala kang bayad. So nagtrabaho ka sa dalawang korporasyon na to na talagang wala kang natanggap na kahit 5.
Wala po. Salary.
Okay.
Salary.
Alright. So wala ka
That's
natanggap.
Yun lang
Okay. Alright. May kilala ka bang Jeric Pagku Manaloto?
Ay, asawa ni Miss Rizalyn Manaloto. Yung owner po
Yes.
ng
Kilala mo siya.
Yes, yes.
At siya may-ari ng 2 hektarya sa lupa ng Pora kung saan yung mansyon,
Yes, 2.5
mansyon na kinatitiligan doon
hectares.
ay siyang may-ari.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Tama.
Yes.
Okay. Naalala mo na. Do you have a business or financial transaction with him?
Yun lang pong nung
You have financial or business transaction with him. Yes or no?
yes po, nag-agent
Yes.
po ako.
At naglagay siya ng pera sa iyo ng 6.1 million. Am I
Yes
correct?
po.
Yes.
Apo.
Bakit siya nagbigay sa iyo ng 6.1 million?
Yung 5% na commission po ng sale nung property. Yung pong bahay.
Anong bahay? Ang
Yung pong mansion.
benta siya?
Binali po ng Whirlwind yung property, yung 2.5 hectares po na property.
Bakit sa iyo binasa ang pera?
Yun lang po yung napagkasunduan at that time. Tapos, kung makikita nyo dun sa bank statement, nilabas ko rin po yung mga commission nila.
So, magkano ang naging commission mo? 6.1 million?
1.8 po.
So, sa 6.1, ang nabigay sa iyo, 1.8.
Yes po.
So, ang sinasabi
Mr.
mo,
Chair.
this is all about the property?
Yes po.
Okay.
Just the property lang po yan Walang other yun lang pong buy and sell ng property.
Have you submitted your income tax return on that year?
Hindi po, Mr. Chair.
Hindi.
Hindi po.
Kasi it's ironic, na si may-ari ng lupa, tatransfer niya yung pera sa'yo. Di ba? Bakit niya transfer sa'yo? And then, hold and behold, yung subscription mo is 6 million as well. Di ba?
Ano po?
Yung subscription mo doon sa
Sa-
company is 6 million as well. Tama?
Saan po yan? Sa Whirlwind or Lucky South?
You must know better.
Hindi po,
Kasi
matagal na po yan,
ikaw
Mr.
yung
Chair.
ikaw yung
Matagal
ikaw
na
yung
po
member ng corporation Magkano binayad mo sa subscription?
Kasi ang alam ko pong nakalista
Oo.
doon sa Lucky South, yung final
Hindi,
na
I'll tell
nakita
you,
ko,
6
9 million.
I'll tell you, 6 million ang binayad mo.
Ay, hindi po ako nagbayad ng cash. Wala po akong honestly po, kahit mamatay man po ako ngayong oras na to, wala po akong binayad na cash.
But
Kasi
you
yan
never
po.
deny that merong binayad, na merong pinasok na pera sa iyo.
Meron po. Hindi
Manaloto.
po ako nagdi-deny. Kahit mag-waiver po ako, it's okay. Wala pong problema
Mr.
sa
Chairman,
akin.
we'll be asking the presence of since masyado na tayong late.